So guys, welcome back to a new video, and let's clear two things up. So, one, behind me is the Q5, and yes, it's going to be wrapped in this video. And two, yes, you're probably asking, why am I not on my driveway? Well, obviously Mallory Performance have seen the previous video, and they've seen that I was about to wrap the Q5 on my driveway, and they were like, you know what, you're an idiot, don't do it on your driveway. The whole place is complete lock off, the whole place is closed, so it's completely safe. Use the wrap room, wrap it in there, and that's how it's going to go. So, enough waffling, let's open up the wrap room. Wait, so before we carry on with the rest of this video has a sponsor, and it's going to save you money, and it's saved me money as well. Today's video is sponsored by Pouch. So Pouch is completely free, you can install it on your browser, and it applies every single voucher code from across the internet to save you money on whatever you're buying online. So here's an example. When I needed oil for the Audi S5, I went straight onto Euro Car Parts, and as you can see on my desktop computer, I've got Pouch installed in the top right hand corner. Now as soon as I go to the basket, Pouch pops up a little notification and tells me it's found voucher codes for the item. So all you need to do is try codes. You literally wait about, what, 2 seconds there, and bang, I've saved £16.37p. Thank you very much. So this is a complete no-brainer for you guys. It is completely free. It's going to save you money, which means that you can buy more car parts, which is just brilliant for you and me. So click the link in the description now, install it. You can even install it whilst it's watching this video. It's not going to offend me. It literally takes about 3 seconds. And then carry on watching me wrap the Q5. And how much better is this than using the workshop? We've got carpet, we've got lighting, we've got wrap, we've got a vise, we've got a fire extinguisher, and best of all, we've got you guys watching. Let's get the Q5 in here. Also, you're obviously wondering why I'm wrapping it. Well, obviously because the front end's grey, the wing's black, it's all different colours, and I can't spray paint, but I know how to wrap, kind of-ish. But if you haven't seen the rest of the Q5 video, top right hand corner now. Right, let's go get it. So in this box is the colour I'm wrapping the Q5. Oh, and blammo, here it is. I don't know what colour it looks like on there, but let me give you a close-up. This is from Hexis, and we ordered actually Nardo Grey at first to play it safe, because we thought, you know, Nardo Grey, you can't go wrong with it. It's going to be a daily car, we don't want it to be too crazy. They called us up and said, look, we've got one shade darker or one shade lighter. The one shade darker looked too dark, it almost looked black, but this is one shade lighter, supposedly, and I think it's called Cloudy Grey. It's almost white, but I think this is actually going to look wicked, but I know a lot of you guys are probably sceptical what it's going to look like when it goes on the carpet. Bear with me, don't skip forward, because we're about to get it done. I just want to show you how sick it is when you add heat, and how easy you can just pull out all the stretches. Here's this front bit, you can see it's completely creased up, a little bit of heat, a little bit of tension, and we'll get it out. And there we go. I think it's one of them things, like, you get better with it as you go along. Like, experience is much more valuable than a qualification. So someone who's changed 20 clutches on a car, but it's got no qualification, is going to be 10 times better than someone who's got a bloody degree in Formula 1 racing and stuff, but never touched a clutch in their life. Right, let's get on with cutting this, I'm rambling. Right, bonnet's done, it's looking sick. Next thing we've got to take the bumper off and take the headlights out, and then we can wrap both wings and the bumper. So check back with you guys tomorrow. And welcome back. So we've got to get this bumper off. The reason why we get the bumper off is, so when we wrap the wing, you can just tuck the wrap nicely, like round these corners here, so you need the light off and everything, and then obviously you can tuck the wrap nicely in here. The bumper will come off, but when I wrap it I'll have it back on, but I'll have it just a little bit away just so I can push the wrap in there, if that makes sense. So let's get this bumper off, then we can get on to wrapping the wing.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do.
Okay, so I'm going to start with the passenger door. First thing, before I give it a wipe over and clean it, is I've got to remove the door handle, because it is literally, some people can wrap around door handles, but I ain't as skilled as that. So Audi's doors, I think, are pretty much the same on most of their cars, so they're pretty easy to remove the handle, I think. Let's get this one removed. So all of this side is now completed, pretty much. I've still got the one door handle to wrap and the handles to put back on. Now we're going on to the rear boot. I've got to remove the rear lights and the bumper lights as well, and the diffuser. Now I probably will be changing the diffuser to an SQ5 in future, but word on the street is that it just can fit onto the standard bumper. So I guess let's just stop rambling and get to it. Let's go. So, bumper is finished. Shut the boot. There is the rear. It looks so weird without the Audi badge. I'm leaving the spoiler black because I'm probably going to get an SQ5 spoiler. Now, what I'll show you underneath here, so the diffuser is off, and there's an exhaust hanger here, and the cool thing is that there's threads for an exhaust hanger here. So we can run the exhaust around the spare wheel tray sort of thing, run the hanger off that, so we can have two exhausts each side and replace this diffuser, which will be pretty cool. That'll be a pretty cool mod. Right, let's get this diffuser back on and let's get on to the other side. Woo.
Who am I talking to? Is somebody out there? Should I worry about?
So Hannah is here and she's bored. She was like, oh, I wish I could help. So what we're going to do to demonstrate how difficult it actually is to wrap, I'm going to give her the fuel cap and a piece of wrap, and she's going to wrap it whilst I'm getting on with the Q5.
And I make a sound, empty lungs, sleeping but awake, paralyzed. So cover me.
Oh my god. Have we done it? That is... Oh, that's questionable. Questionable.
It's on the inside.
Yeah, but you know when you open the cap, you're going to see that.
What, go really, really
close?
close?
Really, really be close, yeah.
Right, easy.
Let's check it out. So, just to show you, so this actually isn't that bad. Well done.
Thanks.
Well done.
Cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you will let me go, I will let you in. Drinking from every turn light, thinking you never feel my fight. 'Cause you're
So, I'm literally just about to finish up on the Q5, and you're going to see it. But before we do that, I've literally de-chromed every part of chrome on the car. Now it's time to put the badges back on. Now I've got black badge for the rear, I've got black S-line badges as well, but what I forgot to order is badges for a black badge for the front. All these black badges are from one of my friends called Alex, who set up a business where it literally sells all blacked out badges for all different types of cars. So if you need a blacked out badge for your car, I'll put a link in the description and you can get a blacked out badge for your car. But for now, let's get this black Audi badge on the rear and the black Audi badges on the side. Audi badge on the back, done. So the Q5 wrap is finally completed. The so-called cloud gloss grey, which turned out to be more like white, but it does look so much better. Now before I open the garage behind me and show you it, there is a few little things and a few other things that need changing on the car. Example, front splitter. When you see it, it definitely needs to go black. Rear diffuser definitely needs an SQ5 rear diffuser, and it definitely needs to be black. And most of all, the alloys definitely need to be black, and I think a couple of inches bigger. So if you agree with me, hit the thumbs up button when you see the car. Now it's time to open the garage. So here it is finally finished. I'm absolutely knackered. It always seems like a good idea to start wrapping your car until you're about 2 days in and you just instantly regret it. So it is full cloud gloss grey, supposedly, aka it's basically white. Now it does look sick. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels. It definitely needs to be black, and they definitely need to be either an inch or a couple of inches bigger. So let me walk you through just a quick overview. I will do some more videos on this car, there's more mods to come. But on the front, this front splitter here, obviously that needs to be going black. I'm going to spray that black, I think, gloss black. I've wrapped the roof rails as well. And also I will say this is probably the most challenging wrap I have done as well. Wrapping a really light colour onto a dark car, there's literally no room for error. But we got there in the end. The whole car's de-chromed. We've left the spoiler completely black, we've left the roof back and the wing mirrors black. With the spoiler being black, let me know what you guys think. I did speak to Hannah, who's literally behind the camera right now, and she said leave it like that. We will be getting the SQ5 spoiler, but I was thinking of maybe wrapping this bit in white, but let me know in the comments. Obviously rear diffuser is grey, that needs to be gone black or carbon. SQ5 diffuser incoming, definitely needs to be done. I heard it just clips on, fingers crossed. But pretty much that is it for the Q5. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. There's plenty more left to be done on the Q5, and I've still got some more stuff to go on the S5, which is literally just there. But massive thanks to Mallory Performance for letting me use the wrap room as well, and letting me use the premises again to wrap. Now if you do want your car wrapping, please don't ask me to wrap it because I literally just don't have the time. But if you do want your car wrapping, don't forget, click the link in the description and fill out a quote form at Mallory Performance, and those guys will get back to you with a quote on wrapping your car. Or if you do fancy on doing it yourself, I suggest test wrapping something first, because it is quite difficult, very time consuming, and if you don't have a garage it'll be a nightmare. But we got there in the end, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click subscribe if you've got this far, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.